She believed she could, so she did. Hi, I am Devanshi Gupta, director and founder of Markham Avenue, and I am proud to be a woman. I have been asked to share my opinion on women making life choices. The question here is, why do women even need to make a choice? For a woman, it has always been a trade off. In middle class families, we get good education because we have to find a good groom. After marriage, we have to take care of our families, of our homes. Career is never our priority. If you are an empowered woman, you're always given free will to choose between your career or your family. However, when the choice comes to us, we always choose family. Here is the paradox now. Since the time of our birth, we are made to believe that a good education can get us a good groom. Post marriage, we are expected to take care of our families and of our homes. So, when the time actually comes to make the decision, we choose our families, we choose our homes. Being a mother is the most beautiful experience, most valuable experience for a woman. However, she is expected to take care of her baby 24 hours. For men, this is never the question, but for a woman, it's a full stop. If she carries on with her profession, she is expected to be a logical genius. She is expected to be at her best all the time, at her home as well as at her career. There should be many routes to make the choices. The woman should be able to intertwine work, leisure, education, family, while having the choice to stop, rest, repeat the same steps again. I, for one, have been very fortunate to get parents who have taught me to be independent and be on my feet always. The most difficult choice that I'm really proud of is daring to do it. I believe if you set your heart to achieving your goal, then obstacles are just tests to check your resolve. They should fuel you more, to give more of yourself, to give it your all. Throughout my entrepreneurial journey, there have been many instances when I have been forced or have been thinking of quitting. However, it could be from societal pressure, from colleagues or peers, indifferential treatments, lesser opportunities for women at top positions, or be it being restricted because we are considered physically weaker than men. I am really thankful to my parents for their support and for my Rockstar team for their constant inspiration, because of which I have been able to launch 3 successful startups, Dance Helpline, Markham Avenue and YouCanG, while creating more opportunities for women who want to do more, who want to achieve more. Who is a complete woman as per you? I believe, irrespective of gender, what makes one complete is the self-confidence one has, which comes from success. We often look for someone or something that completes us. However, we do not realize that the missing link is deep within us. A complete woman feels self-confidence, honest, self-dependent, and never thinks of giving up. In my entire journey, I have found few tactics that have helped me remain self-confident and complete. Today, I would like to share them with you. I feel comfortable in my apparel, in my skin, in my body, which helps me remain confident and makes me feel complete. Applaud and acknowledgement on our efforts and on our accomplishments help lessen the impact of criticism and makes us more confident of ourselves, helping us feel more complete. Our family believing in our purpose, in our dreams, plays a very critical role in making or marring our dream. Self-trust, trust on others, self-confidence, and the ability to pacify pessimism completes us from deep within. On this Women's Day, I would like to encourage all women to be young, dream big, and never give up. Believe in yourself, then leave no stone unturned to make that dream a reality. Rest will always fall in place. Go out there, be yourself, you are beautiful.